These how to 1 minute will show you how to connect Google Search Console with your Shopify. To add your Shopify store on Google Search Console, follow these easy and step-by-step guide. First of all, open your browser and type Google Search Console. Click on Sign in to continue to Google Search Console. Once you are here, click on this profile icon, and now you have to log into Google Search Console using your Gmail ID. Once done, click on Search Property and click on Add Property, and here select URL prefix. Now go to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Online Store. Click on Preferences, and here scroll down and you will get this option here, restrict access to visitors with the password. If it's enabled, you have to disable this option. So deselect this box and then hover over on Online Store and click on this little eye icon, and it will take you into your Shopify store. Now all you have to need, just copy your Shopify store or website link and go to your Search Console page, and here paste your Shopify store link. And now all you have to need, just cut this slash and click on Continue. And now scroll down and click on HTML tag, and you have to copy these HTML meta tags. So copy this code from here, and now go to your Shopify store again. Click on Online Store. Select Themes. Click on this three dot. Click on Edit Code. And here select theme.liquid file. After head tag, you have to paste the code you just copied from Google Search Console, and then click on Save. Now here click on Verify, and this is how we can connect our Shopify store to Google. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.